International Mapping is proud to present Sovereign Limits, a comprehensive, research-driven database of land and maritime boundaries. Built from the ground up, each boundary is constructed at a scale of 1 to 25,000 or larger. On land and at sea, all components are seamlessly integrated with each other, creating a complete footprint of a nation's sovereignty. Boundaries are our core business. We're well aware of ongoing disputes and overlapping claims. We built Sovereign Limits to handle ever-changing frontiers, and the database is continuously updated to reflect new agreements and claims. To allow users to navigate its complexities, we've built an intuitive web portal around Sovereign Limits, where spatial data, related metadata, and documents can be easily accessed. The main components of the database are shown in the legend, divided into land and maritime layers, which can be toggled individually or as a group. The search feature can be used to find all the boundary concepts related to a particular state. Let's look at France. You get this sidebar that lists all the sub-states and territories, as well as the individual boundary concepts related to the state. Clicking on a concept will zoom you into that component. It brings up additional details and documentation. If we look at Venezuela's state view, we see Venezuela's perspective of their own sovereign footprint. Note the disputed boundary with Guyana, as well as Venezuela's claim up to the Essequibo River. If we switch to Guyana's state view, we see these boundaries from a different perspective, in which Venezuela's claim is visible but marked as disputed. Each boundary contains our own written analyses. We call these boundary briefs, which provide a concise synopsis of the boundary along with maps prepared by International Mapping. All of this is available as GIS data for those interested in large-scale mapping of maritime or land boundaries, conducting spatial analyses, or making accurate geodetic measurements. GIS data comes fully attributed and offers a quick means of linking back to the web portal, where all primary source documents and boundary briefs are easily accessible. For additional details and information on the Sovereign Limits database, please contact us.